Verbs, guys, verbs. Okay, in your packet, you will find this paper. Present and past tense verbs. Lesson 1. Let's read this. Present tense verbs tell about actions that are happening now. Past tense verbs tell about actions that happened in the past. The past could be a minute ago, yesterday, or even a year ago. The directions is sort the following verbs as present or past tense. All right, so look, I made the list of the verb without present or past, okay? So let's read them. To see, to sell, to talk, to cook, to ride, to fix, to drive, to sing, to watch, to buy, to call, to write, to teach, to paint, to sleep, and to jump. These are these words without present or past tense. It's before you change it, okay? So look over here. If you are adding an S or an ES at the end of a word, at the end of a verb, you are usually talking about present tense. If you see words ending in ED, GHT, PT, these are often past tense. Okay, so I gave you two big hints. So you're going to take these words, sees, sold, talked, cook, rode, fixes, drive, sang, watch, bought, calls, writes, taught, paints, slept, and jumped. You're going to put it, you're going to look at this word, this one I will give you, sees. I said up here it's to see. It has an S on the end, and what did I say about an S? It's present tense. So you're going to put sees in this column. Okay, so you're going to look at each word. I've put them in the order like this. You'll see sold, and the verb without changing anything is to sell. Okay, so you need to decide where sold goes. Okay, so that is how you're going to do that homework. Then the next page, present and past tense verbs, it says, read each sentence at the bottom of the page. What tense does the verb in the sentence use? Write the correct form of each verb in the corresponding box below. So you have only 3 words here. You have present tense and past tense, 2 columns. You're going to read these sentences down here. They're talking about the verb to laugh. He laughed at the donkey. He is laughing at the donkey. The verb to talk. She is talking about her book. She talked about her book. The verb to move. The man moved the books from place to place. He is moving the books from place to place. notice when is in front of the verb, there's often ing after ending, okay? So think about that. Think about if that's present or past tense. When you're done, take a picture and send me the finished homework, okay?